Choosing the right colors, a secret to helping women over 60 look more radiant. Did you know that the colors you wear can impact your appearance more than you might think? Many women over 60 unknowingly choose colors that don't complement their complexion, making their skin appear dull rather than enhancing its natural glow. A small adjustment in color choices can make a significant difference, helping you look fresher and more youthful without resorting to complicated beauty treatments. Studies show that 73% of women in this age group continue wearing the same colors they favored 20 to 30 years ago, without realizing that their skin tone, hair color, and even the lighting around them have changed over time. This often leads to a common concern feeling invisible in their own outfits. Take Barbara, a 65-year-old woman from Denver, for example. She had a wardrobe filled with her favorite outfits, but still felt dissatisfied with her overall look. "I like my style, but I always feel like I fade into the background," she shared. Everything changed when her daughter encouraged her to experiment with different shades. Within weeks, Barbara began receiving numerous compliments from friends and acquaintances. She soon realized that choosing the right colors not only enhanced her appearance, but also boosted her confidence. As we age, our skin tone naturally shifts. The colors that once suited us perfectly in our younger years may no longer have the same effect. For instance, stark white can be too harsh, emphasizing fine lines and wrinkles. Matte black can make the face appear dull and lifeless. Soft pastel shades, such as pale yellow or light pink, may wash out the complexion instead of brightening it. But don't worry, simple adjustments can bring back your radiant glow. Instead of pure white, opt for cream or ivory to add warmth to your complexion. Swap out matte black for navy blue or charcoal grey to maintain elegance without overshadowing your features. Richer shades like mustard yellow or coral pink can add vibrancy and warmth to your overall look. Colors don't just influence your appearance, they also affect your mood and confidence. Understanding which shades complement you best can help you look and feel your best at any age. Take a fresh look at your wardrobe and embrace colors that make you feel vibrant and radiant every day. Color mistake number 1. Icy white, the wrong choice that makes skin look pale. One of the most common fashion mistakes women over 60 make is choosing icy white clothing. While this shade of bright, pure white may seem elegant and fresh, it can have the opposite effect on mature skin. Instead of enhancing your complexion, it can make your skin look pale, dull, and even emphasize wrinkles and dark circles. As we age, our skin gradually loses pigmentation and natural radiance. This change makes overly bright, cool-toned colors such as pure white appear harsh against the skin, disrupting harmony in your overall appearance. Rather than achieving the youthful and sophisticated look you desire, icy white can make you look tired and washed out. The solution: instead of icy white, opt for warmer shades of white like ivory, off-white, or pearl. These softer tones help balance your complexion, creating a more radiant and youthful look while maintaining an air of elegance and sophistication. For example, if you love wearing white shirts, try choosing designs in cream or pearl tones rather than stark white. Pairing these shades with warm-toned colors like beige, camel, or soft yellow can further enhance your appearance, making you look more vibrant without a drastic wardrobe change. Remember, choosing the right colors not only flatters your skin, but also boosts your confidence and helps you feel refreshed every day. Color mistake number 2. Matte black, the wrong choice that makes the face look tired. Black has always been a staple in fashion due to its elegance, sophistication, and versatility. However, for women over 60, wearing matte black can make the face appear more fatigued rather than radiant. This happens because black absorbs light intensely, creating strong contrasts that highlight signs of aging such as wrinkles, dark circles, and sagging skin. As the skin loses its natural vibrancy, matte black no longer enhances the complexion but instead makes the face look dull and lifeless. When younger, the skin has a natural glow and elasticity, which allows black to create a sharp, striking effect. However, as the skin's pigmentation changes over time, it becomes more delicate and less adaptable to harsh colors. In strong lighting, matte black does not reflect any brightness, making the face appear darker and older than it actually is. This effect is even more noticeable for those with fair or pale skin, as black clothing can make the overall appearance look washed out, even giving off an impression of fatigue and low energy. To maintain an elegant style while avoiding the unwanted effects of black, opt for more flattering shades like navy blue, charcoal grey, or black with a subtle sheen. Navy blue retains the sophistication of black, but is softer and more forgiving on mature skin. Charcoal grey is a great neutral alternative, dark enough to remain chic while preventing the face from looking overly pale. If you still love wearing black, choosing fabrics with a slight sheen, such as silk, satin, or soft velvet, can help reflect light better, creating a more radiant look. In addition to adjusting clothing colors, incorporating warm-toned accessories can help balance out the heaviness of black. A cream-colored silk scarf, gold-toned jewelry, or patterned accents in lighter shades can soften the overall effect and bring warmth back to the face. These small changes not only brighten the complexion, but also create a fresher, more youthful appearance. With just a few thoughtful adjustments in color choices and fabric selection, you can maintain a timeless, sophisticated style while ensuring your natural beauty shines through at any age. Color mistake number 3. Pale yellow, lacking contrast. Pale yellow is often associated with a soft, delicate, and feminine feel, but for women over 60, it may not always be the most flattering choice. Light yellow shades, especially pastels or lemony tones, tend to lack the necessary contrast to brighten the face. Instead of enhancing a fresh and vibrant look, these shades can wash out the complexion, making the skin appear dull and highlighting signs of aging such as wrinkles or fine lines. One of the main reasons pale yellow isn't ideal for mature women is due to the natural changes in skin pigmentation over time. As the skin loses some of its natural glow and tends to become lighter, low-contrast colors like pale yellow fail to provide the necessary depth to create a youthful and radiant appearance. To maintain a fresh and lively look, it's best to opt for deeper, warmer yellow tones. Mustard yellow is a fantastic alternative, offering a rich and warm shade that enhances the skin's natural tones and creates a more youthful glow. Similarly, amber, with its subtle golden orange hue, provides a radiant effect by reflecting light beautifully, making the face appear fuller and more energized. For those who want a touch of sophistication, gold is an excellent choice. Its slight shimmer adds brightness to the complexion, creating a luminous and polished look. If you still love pale yellow, consider pairing it with bolder, deeper colors such as caramel brown, burnt orange, or wine red to add dimension and balance to your overall outfit. Choosing fabrics with a slight sheen, like silk or satin, can also help enhance the skin's glow by reflecting light more effectively. With just a small adjustment in color choices, you can maintain a youthful and vibrant appearance without letting certain shades diminish your natural radiance. Color mistake number 4. Pale beige, blending too much with skin tone, making you look washed out. Pale beige is a widely popular neutral shade, often associated with elegance and sophistication. However, for women over 60, this color comes with a significant drawback. It can blend too closely with the skin tone, creating a washed out and lifeless appearance. Instead of enhancing a bright and radiant complexion, pale beige may cause the face to appear dull, even emphasizing natural lines and features in an unflattering way. This issue arises due to changes in skin pigmentation as we age. As the skin gradually loses its natural glow, choosing colors too similar to the skin tone fails to provide the necessary contrast to highlight facial features. This effect is particularly noticeable for those with fair to medium skin tones, as light colors may leave them looking lackluster and drained of vibrancy. To replace pale beige while maintaining a refined look, opting for warmer neutral shades is a smart choice. Camel is an excellent alternative, as its subtle golden brown undertones add warmth and brighten the complexion. Warm sand is another great option. It remains neutral but has slightly deeper tones to create gentle contrast. Additionally, light brown with warm undertones offers a sophisticated yet natural look while adding more depth to an outfit. To avoid a monotone appearance, these shades can be paired with richer colors for a balanced and stylish look. For example, if wearing a camel or warm sand top, accessorizing with a scarf in wine red, navy blue, or emerald green can create a striking contrast. Accessories such as handbags, shoes, or jewelry also play a crucial role in adding dimension and vibrancy to an outfit. Choosing the right colors not only helps you appear more youthful and refreshed, but also allows you to refine your personal style effortlessly. With small adjustments in neutral shade selection, you can maintain an elegant, radiant, and lively appearance at any age. Color mistake number 5. Pale pink, too faint and lacking depth, making mature skin look tired. Pale pink is often considered a soft and feminine shade, suitable for many fashion styles. However, for women over 60, this color may not be the most flattering choice. Its light and muted tone can make mature skin appear washed out, tired, and lacking vitality. As we age, our skin gradually loses its natural radiance, so overly delicate colors like pale pink may not be strong enough to brighten the complexion. Instead, they can emphasize signs of aging rather than enhance youthful energy. Rather than opting for pale pink, consider deeper and warmer pink shades to add vibrancy and luminosity to the skin. A great alternative is rose pink, a slightly richer shade that retains its softness and femininity while offering better contrast against mature skin. This color helps create a fresh, healthy glow, complementing natural skin tones without looking overpowering. Coral pink is another excellent option. With its blend of pink and warm orange undertones, coral provides a lively and radiant effect, making the complexion appear healthier and more youthful. This shade naturally enhances the skin's warmth, especially flattering for those with fair to medium skin tones. Additionally, strawberry pink is worth considering. With its rich pink-red undertones, this color brightens the face, creating a vibrant and energetic look. Strawberry pink works well for both everyday outfits and special occasions, helping you stand out with confidence and charm. To maximize the skin brightening effect of these deeper pinks, pair them with neutral accessories such as pearl white, warm beige, or soft grey to maintain balance. If you still love wearing pale pink, consider layering it with a darker coloured jacket or scarf to add contrast and depth to your outfit. Choosing the right colours can make a significant difference in enhancing your natural glow and overall appearance. By shifting from pale pink to deeper, warmer shades, you'll notice a positive transformation in your style, ensuring you always look radiant and effortlessly elegant. Quick summary: as you enter your 60s, choosing the right clothing colors plays a crucial role in maintaining a radiant and youthful appearance. Certain shades can unintentionally make the skin look dull, washed out, or emphasize signs of aging. Adjusting your color palette accordingly can help middle-aged women maintain a fresh and elegant look. Icy white is one of the colors that can make the skin appear paler. Instead, opting for warmer whites such as ivory, off-white, or pearl white can help brighten the complexion. Similarly, matte black may accentuate wrinkles and dark circles. A better alternative would be navy blue, charcoal gray, or slightly glossy black to create a softer and more vibrant look. Light yellow often lacks contrast, making the skin look dull. If you prefer yellow tones, consider mustard, amber, or gold, which provide warmth and enhance the skin's glow. Likewise, pale beige can blend too much with the skin tone, reducing facial definition. Instead, choosing camel, warm sand, or light brown, paired with deeper shades, can create a more striking contrast. Lastly, light pink may diminish the skin's vibrancy. Opting for richer pink shades like coral, peach, or strawberry pink can make the skin appear healthier and more radiant. Adjusting your wardrobe's color choices can not only help middle-aged women achieve a more youthful look, but also boost confidence and create a stylish, sophisticated presence. Colors not only impact your appearance, but also directly influence your mood and confidence. Choosing the right shades can enhance your skin's radiance while making you feel youthful and full of energy. Don't limit yourself to familiar colors. Dare to experiment with new hues to discover the style that suits you best. If you've been wearing icy white, matte black, or pale yellow and feel they make your skin look dull or washed out, it's time for a change. A slight adjustment such as opting for ivory instead of stark white, navy blue instead of flat black, or coral pink instead of pastel pink can completely transform your look. These small changes not only help you appear younger, but also create harmony and balance between your outfit and skin tone. Most importantly, when you feel confident in your appearance, your mindset becomes more positive. Colors have the power to uplift your spirit, making you feel vibrant and energized. So, don't hesitate to explore new shades, refresh your wardrobe, and embrace a radiant, youthful feeling every day. Remember, choosing the right clothing colors not only helps you look younger, but also boosts your confidence and positive energy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bells so you won't miss more exciting fashion tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.